Strategic issues are fundamental policy choices or critical challenges that must be addressed in order for a community to achieve its vision. Strategic issues usually center around tension or conflict to be resolved and have no obvious solution. If there is an apparent solution, the question becomes, why hasn't this been implemented? Remember, strategic issues reflect policy level, not day-to-day or operational problems. The strategic issue must be something the local public health system can address. For example, universal health care and eradicating poverty are admirable aspirations and would improve the public's health, but are not likely to be taken on at the local level. Strategic issues represent predominant and cross-cutting issues that emerge when you look at the assessments collectively. In order to identify the strategic issues, your committee needs to study all the assessment data. After studying the data, it's time to work on the process of identifying strategic issues. In step 1, the community brainstorms on the potential strategic issues. Community should begin by reviewing the shared vision, common values, and results of the 4 MAP assessments. They should ask, what factors identified in the assessments must be addressed in order to achieve the vision? As the communities discuss this question, they should try to identify where results converge. After strategic issues are identified, participants should discuss each issue until they understand why it is strategic. This discussion will help to separate strategic issues from other problems. Participants must understand the issues to be able to make wise decisions about how to address them. Next, participants should consider each strategic issue and ask, what are the consequences of not addressing this? This will help participants determine whether or not action is required. Strategic issues may have significant consequences for the community or the local public health system, and failure to address them could lead to serious repercussions. In step 4, a large number of strategic issues may have been identified. Participants should examine all of these issues and consolidate them into a limited number of non-overlapping issues. Ideally, a community should have no more than 12 strategic issues. The fewer, the better. Finally, in step 5, the strategic issues should be ordered into a list. When developing this list, participants determine if certain issues should be addressed first, if there are issues with immediate consequences, or if there are timelines or upcoming events that may help or hinder addressing an issue. In some cases, communities may decide to address simpler issues first in an effort to build the necessary momentum and teamwork for addressing more complex, controversial issues.